In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and drag text in the editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter edit mode and reposition any text element with confidence without changing anything else on your page. First, look to the left side of your screen for the edit option. This is usually in a sidebar or a panel that houses your main tools. Go ahead and click edit. That action switches you into the workspace where you can make visual changes. You'll know you're in the right place if your canvas becomes active and elements on the page show outlines or handles when you move your mouse over them. If your panel is collapsed, hover near the left edge until it expands, then select Edit. Once you've clicked it, pause a moment so the editor can load fully. Now with edit mode active, move your cursor over the text you want to adjust. When the text highlights or an outline appears, click directly on it and just drag it to a new position. Keep your mouse button held down while you move the text. As you drag, pay attention to any alignment guides or snapping lines that appear. These are there to help you keep things neat and centered. Aim for consistent spacing from nearby elements, and try to keep important text within the safe margins of your layout so it's always visible and readable. If your cursor turns into a typing caret instead of a move icon, click once outside the text to exit typing mode, then click on the text again near its edge and drag. Don't worry if the first placement isn't perfect. You can drag the text again to fine-tune its position until it feels balanced. Small, controlled movements often give you the most precise results. As you place the text, consider contrast and readability. Light text sits best on darker backgrounds, and vice versa. If the editor shows you distance measurements or center lines, use them to align your text with other elements for a clean, professional look. If you notice the text snapping somewhere you don't want, try moving a little slower and approach the spot from a different angle. This helps you land exactly where you intend. When the text is where you want it, simply release the mouse button to drop it into place. Take a quick visual pass to confirm it aligns with your overall layout, and that's it. Click edit on